we have 12 different types of Rottler machines. LKQ in the Reman division, they are the leading supplier of aftermarket, remanufactured, and recycled OE auto parts in the world. My name is Anthony Combs. I am the production manager at LKQ's Bellingham engine remanufacturing plant. We remanufacture engines, transmissions, wheels, rear axles. Essentially any auto part that can be remanufactured is what we do. At this plant, we remanufacture overhead cam engines to try and return them to a like-new condition. Getting vehicles back on the road. The remanufactured engines cost a lot less than a brand new one, and usually a brand new engine is not available. Here we've been using Rottler machines for a lot longer than we belong to LKQ. For our Rottler equipment, we use the EM45, which is a new machine they came out with that we just recently got, to bore and surface blocks. We also use their F69 ATC for the same purpose. We run 4 Rottler honing machines, 3 of them the H85 AXY and 1 older H75. We use the Rottler surfacers to surface heads. We have 2 Rottler seat cutters. We use the VR9 for valve grinding. We use them on quite a few different engine parts. Primarily we use them for block and head and cylinder head reconditioning. So with the Rottler equipment, especially some of our newer CNC machines, it reduces our labor. They are very easy to train on and easy to program. We use, for instance, the F69A here that we use to bore cam lines. Is one of our critical pieces of equipment. After the cam lines are bored, we spray weld the cams in order to oversize them and grind them to the specified size. The Rottler machines have contributed quite a bit to our success, increasing our efficiency, improving our quality in the boring of cylinders. We're able to do it with fairly little paper from the bore, which is less honing we have to do. The CNC machines cut down on our labor. You can start the machine and walk away, have the same operator run quite a few different machines. Their service people are some of the most responsive of any equipment manufacturer that I've come across.
That's awesome.
It is, very much so, especially with as many machines as we run from Rottler.